Hey, he's finally got around to putting the throttle body spacer on. Look, so this is a 15mm throttle body spacer from a Mark 6 Fiesta St150. Absolutely fantastic car. And with these mods, you just can't beat it. So this is me putting it on. So taking the ram air induction kit off first, then the sensor, then the actual throttle body housing itself. Then I basically get the spacer and just line it up exactly where it will fit with the shape of the gasket that's already pre-installed on the spacer. And it was quite simple, to be honest with you. You get some extended bolts. So what I've done is I've got a plastic bag that they come in, and I've basically given it a spray of WD, given it a bit of a shake, and just left it. I don't really like spraying WD down channels now where you put bolts, especially on blocks and things like that, because you don't want to cause pressure in there when you're tightening up and torquing up for it to crack any blocks or anything like that. But it was pretty simple, really straightforward. I will admit there's no whooshing sound, so that's a bit of a disappointment. Obviously that's more probably tailored towards turboed cars, but I must say it definitely seems loads more responsive, and I mean loads more responsive. Do you know what I mean? Fantastic. The rev range is great and it sounds absolutely fantastic. Listen to this, guys. Watch this. Look how just fast the fucking revs go up.